Do you want to keep your smile healthy? It's simpler than you think. Hello, Burles and Smiles patients. Today you're going to learn about how to use the revolutionary Soniecare brush. Here's the Soniecare Philips toothbrush. Soniecare is the best brush on the market as endorsed by the ADA and NIH. Soniecare requires a special technique for brushing and has a high frequency amplitude with a velocity of 30,000 strokes per minute. Soniecare cleans teeth in a way a manual toothbrush cannot. Their patented sonic technology generates a unique brushing action which results in thorough plaque biofilm disruption as the brush sweeps back and forth while cleaning hard-to-reach areas. This cleaning action forces fluid deep into areas between the teeth and along the gum line, cleaning plaque and bacteria. To demonstrate Soniecare, we will use a model of healthy teeth. Imagine your mouth divided into quadrants: upper right, upper left, and lower left. Soniecare is designed to brush each quadrant for 30 seconds. The brush makes audible pause tones every 30 seconds. Then the brush stops automatically after 2 minutes. When you hear a pause, move to the next quadrant of your mouth. Picture the surfaces of the teeth: cheek side, biting surface, and tongue side. Begin with a dry brush. Now apply the toothpaste to the brush head. Wet the brush head and turn the brush on when it's in your mouth. Begin on the upper right cheek side. Angle the brush along the gum line at 45 degrees. Now gently glide and guide the brush along the gum line using light pressure from your fingertips. It should take about 10 seconds to clean the cheek side, then 10 more seconds for the biting surfaces, and 10 more for the tongue side. After the beep, move to the next quadrant of your mouth. Slowly move the brush from tooth to tooth and feel the longer bristles cleaning between the teeth. This is easier if you use the compact brush head. Following the same procedure, move to the lower right quadrant brushing cheek side, then the biting surface, then the tongue side. Move to the upper left quadrant and follow the same steps, brushing the cheek side, biting surface, and palate side. Move to the lower left quadrant and follow the same steps: cheek side, biting surface, and tongue side. Spend extra time on the tongue side of your lower front teeth, where calculus can build up. Rinse and clean the Soniecare brush head. Change the brush head every 3 months. Here's how to remove the brush head, clean the motor, and replace the brush head. Using Soniecare can prevent many expensive dental issues like gingivitis, plaque buildup, gum disease, and bad breath. Using Soniecare can prevent these problems that can destroy your smile, health, and finances. Soniecare is a wise investment, and proper use will allow you to keep your natural teeth healthy.